Have you ever found yourself unsure of how to create query on MongoDB? So this video we will explore query with natural language, a revolutionary feature from MongoDB Compass. Compass uses AI to generate filtered queries and aggregations based on the prompts you provide. So the first part of this video, we're going to understand the concepts, requirements, some use case. The second part, we will import some data set. And finally, we will prompt our natural language. Okay, my name is Ricardo Mello. I'm a member of the MongoDB community creator. Stay tuned, take your coffee, and let's go to the video. Welcome back, folks. Query with natural language. Before we dive into this topic, let's share with you what motivated me to create this content. And a few days ago, I was talking with some friends and they told me that they have a lot of difficulty to create queries and aggregations pipeline, especially because they are transitioning from a relational database to MongoDB. And they don't have practice, experience on that. And I was wondering how it could be difficult for those guys who are starting a new position in some company that utilize MongoDB on their daily basis. It's a big deal, right? So MongoDB Compass can assist you using AI to generate your queries automatically. So you just have to type your text and MongoDB will do everything for you, okay? So behavior. This feature is available starting in version 1.40x. Utilize OpenAI. This provider may be subject to change in the future, okay? And one thing that you have firmly memorized. Your data isn't stored or any third-party storage system are used to train AI models. I believe that most companies in the world that allows you to send your data to AI, right? So this is very important. With requirements, before you begin, you have to create your free account on Atlas, okay? So you can create a free cluster there. And also install MongoDB Compass version 1.40 or later, okay? So now let's import some data and explore this amazing feature, okay? Okay guys, in this part of the video, I'm gonna import a data set using this site here, but if you have already your data, you can skip this step and go to the final part of the video, okay? As you can observe, I'm gonna download this guy here, countries of the world, and I'm gonna use MongoDB command line mongo import to import this data set to our database, okay? So let's take a look on this file before we start our import, okay? So here we have country, region, population, and a lot of information, okay? So returning here, as you can observe, I have already MongoDB database tools installed on my machine, which is this guy here. And also I'm gonna running Docker container of MongoDB local on my machine here in 27,017. Okay, very good. First of all, I need to convert this file CSV to JSON. So I'm gonna use this site here, pass the content and type convert and download it, okay? So let's check. Very good, our file is here. Now I'm gonna rename, just to be more easy to understand, countries. And now I'm gonna open the bin folder of MongoDB command line tools, okay? Paste this guy here, and let's see, very good, countries.json. So the command is pretty much mongo import, and here we have to pass the string connection. In this case, we are running on localhost, and I want to save on countries database, and the collection name will be countries, okay? And this JSON array argument, and type countries JSON and type enter. Very good. We could connect on localhost. And we imported 227 documents, and very good. Now let's check our database, and we can see the results here and our documents, 227 documents here. All right, folks, so the last part of the video, it's time to enable this feature and generate those queries, okay? So first of all, click here in Compass settings, feature preview, and enable natural language prompt, okay? So as you can observe, I'm already logged in my Atlas account, so you have to do the same thing, and then return here to our collections, okay? So as you can observe, we have here generate query, okay? Click here, tell Compass what documents to find, okay? So I've prepared some sentence here. So let's say that we want to find countries with highest population, okay? So find the countries with the highest population, sorting the results in descending order by population, okay? And click here, generate, okay? And find. So as you can observe, according to our data set, China is the first, India, and the third, United States, okay? Very good. So if you want the lowest population, for instance, just type here this sentence, click on find, and you can observe that according to our collection, St. Pierre is the first, and then St. Helena with this population, and finally Montserrat, for instance, okay? So now it's time to understand aggregations pipeline here, but it's pretty much the same thing, okay? So just click here on generate aggregations and tell Compass what aggregations to build, okay? So let's say here that in this case, let's copy this sentence that I've prepared before. Group the countries by region and calculate the average population in each region. Okay, so click here and run. And very good. So we have here Western Europe, Northern, South America, Latin America with those populations. Okay, very good. We can see the aggregation stages created automatically here, okay? According to our sentence. So now let's put something here such as an order by the highest population, for instance, and click generate. And you can observe that MongoDB added automatically this sort stage here, okay? So I hope you have an idea about this feature, okay, and explore it. Hi guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For those who might not be aware, I'm a member of the MongoDB community creator. It's a pleasure to share my knowledge with you. So if you can, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video with your friends, leave a comment, and don't forget to check it out the other content here on this platform, okay? See you soon in the next video. I appreciate it.